Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap West Buechel local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. You can enjoy the help of a Kentucky moving company while you sit back during your local move. The right team will take care of all the labor and make sure you don't have to lift anything. You can even hire local movers to do the packing and unpacking. 3Movers offers the best option for your specific needs. We know how to streamline the local moving process to save you time and energy. When you need to move, we can make it happen faster for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Buechel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.